Good afternoon, garden friends, and welcome to Inspiring Garden Corners. I'm sitting out here because this project that I'm going to be working on Saturday is going to be assisting my neighbor and helping them create their own garden oasis. So I'm just thinking about ideas on how to incorporate the plants that they have currently in pots and then introducing some new plants to their garden. But in the process of them getting their garden prepared, they actually had some trees cut down that weren't doing too well, which in turn opened up some space and also allows more sunlight into their back garden. The other thing that we're going to be doing is adding a flagstone pathway that goes from their back door to their deck, and then from their deck down to their cute little garden shed. So come along with me as I show you transformation of getting the trees cut down, the areas that we are looking at to create their garden oasis, and the pathway with the flagstone. All right, so come along. So this is what the area looked like prior to them cutting down the trees. So this is one of the areas that we're going to be working on to do flower beds. They just got a tree cut down. They got a cute little shed that I think will be able to do this area up really nicely. It is 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, so I am going to want to come over in the morning and see how much sun is actually hitting this area since they cut down that big tree. Okay, so the other thing that is going to be done is from their back entrance door, we're going to do a flagstone pathway that leads all the way to the steps of the deck, and then we're going to take it down to the front entrance of the shed. When planning a garden bed, there's a few things that you need to take into consideration. How much maintenance are you willing to take on? And then also, how much sun or shade does the plants or shrubs that you're interested in will need? Now, with that in mind, I am recommending some drought-tolerant plants for our neighbors to incorporate in their garden. A couple plants that I'm interested in showing them are the bearberry and the Indian hawthorn. Both of these are low maintenance and drought tolerant. And the other good thing about these plants and shrubs is they will add the color and texture that they're looking for. The next two is Lantana and Mountain Lover. Those two again are drought tolerant. One like full sun, the other is full sun to part, and between zones 3 and 7. And one more thing that we are entertaining, because Siv does his own yard work, he's fortunate enough to have an area to where he can dump his grass clippings and what have you. So we're going to actually be making a pathway to that area to finish off the garden bed. All right, I am so excited about getting started on this project this Saturday, and I will definitely keep you posted on the progress. Thanks again for visiting Inspiring Garden Corner. Have a great day.